If you are using Google Anti-Gravity, then sometimes if you try to write something in the prompt and if you try to execute something, then you will find this type of error. That means you are unable to do anything. So how to fix this thing? So the main reason to fix this thing is you need to update or upgrade your Google Anti-Gravity, the software, and then only this error will be gone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly upgrade this thing very easily and you can work. Before doing that, I'm going to close all anti-gravity, the software. I have two windows open. I'm closing one by one like that. Now I need to click on the start menu to write some command, or you can click search this option, and there I'm going to type the PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. This one I'm going to open it. Once it is opened, then I need to write one simple command, and here is the command winget, something like that. You just need to type the entire line of command, and you need to write this command perfectly like this. Once you type completely, then hit the enter key and you'll see it is going to start downloading or installing, something like that. We have to wait few seconds to minutes. For me it took like 1 to 2 minutes probably, and then once it is done, then it will try to install. At first it is going to download, I believe so. So it depends on the internet speed, how fast it will be downloaded basically. And once it is downloaded successfully, then it will prompt us, not us basically, it will try to install it automatically. You don't need to do anything, you just need to keep waiting till it finished. Once it is finished successfully, then the window will be closed automatically and you will get this type of confirmation message like successfully installed at the last line with the few other lines. So that means this software is installed properly. Now let's close this window, we don't need it anymore, and I'm going to open the Google Anti-Gravity, this software, again one more time because to check whether it is working properly or not. Once it is loaded successfully, I'm going to write the command or prompt over here. Once I finish writing the whole prompt, then I'm going to hit the enter key of my keyboard to check whether it is working properly or not. And after hitting the enter key, I will see this type of thing is happening. That means the prompt is working with the Google Anti-Gravity. And that's it. In this way, by using that only one simple line of command, we can fix the issue of anti-gravity, and we can use the AI agent very nicely, and we can type the prompt to develop or build some application.